going to let you. This is what Rambli's kitchen is about, right? Everything is fresh. Now, tell me if this make your cut.
Oh my God, Frida, I'm coming over every week.
You tasted fish and chip? Try my fish and chip.
Okay.
Okay, let's try it. Let's see.
Mom, can someone want?
Can cut it. Yes,
Mau potong nggak? Sedul?
Whatever you want to do with it.
Okay.
Oh.
Like, oh, it's still crispy.
Ah.
Can you guys hear that?
Squeeze lemon.
Okay. I'm gonna squeeze the lemon.
Actually, use your hand to fish and chip.
Okay, where should on the fish?
Ah ya, on the fish. Semua.
Okay, on all.
Oh, tunggu. What?
Squeeze.
Dah ambil dah. Mama. No, take this one.
Squeeze the lemon. Oh my God, what is that from again? The movie? Squeeze the lemon.
The chef kan? Chef kan?
Is it? I remember like it's a very funny. Okay, let's try this.
I'm gonna use.
I'm gonna put this on top of. Which one are you taking? Okay. I am not sure if this is how you eat it, but I eat everything.
Oh. How you do it like this?
Wow. How good.
So Ezzy, what do you think of this?
What do you think?
Right. I think it's so good.
Kalau sos. Ayam mana sos dah.
How is it, Shah?
It's amazing. Tender and nice.
Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside.
Yes.
Not too hot when you bite into it.
Yes.
Flavor kind of just pours onto your tongue. And
But I tell you, you know how much they're going to cost?
Are you charging now?
Should we start?
No, willingness to pay. How much is it?
Oh.
oh, okay. We're gonna start. Easy go as the cafe guy. Someone in the food.
35.
Okay, I will go with 35. Other than that, it's ridiculous because the fish itself costs about 200. A few hundred ringgit for the whole fish.
Wow.
Yeah.
What fish is this under?
Yeah, red garoupa.
What's the burger?
Good.
Strawberry garoupa.